Hello guys, welcome back to the D&N series. I'm Damar, and as you know, there is the pandemic of the coronavirus, and a lot of people, they want to ensure that they're taking the necessary precautions and they're preventing the spread of coronavirus and even protecting themselves from the virus. So today we're going to look on masks. So as you know, it is said that the mask can help you to prevent transmission of the virus if you're infected, as well as prevent you from getting infected with the virus. So guys, ensure that you're staying safe, ensuring that you're washing your hands, you're taking the necessary precautions, you're staying inside as much as possible. All right, so without further ado, let's start. All right, so this is the mask. So as I said, the mask can offer protection or prevent transmission of the virus. All right, so the N95 masks or the surgical masks, they are the most effective in preventing viruses. For example, like your cloth mask or other masks, they're basically preventing dust and bacteria and stuff like that. They're more effective for those. But the surgical mask, we're going to use it today because this is much more accessible than the N95 mask. All right, but it's kind of like the same procedure. Now, a thing that persons don't understand is that there are two sides of the mask. So you can see there's a clear part and a darker part, all right, or the blue part. Now, if you are the one with the virus, right, so you're coughing and sneezing and you have the virus, then this side, which is the clear side, should be turned in. All right, so you're going to put on the mask like this to expose the blue part so you can filter from inside because you're the one with the virus. Now, if you are the one trying to prevent the virus, that's different. So if you are trying to prevent the virus, you turn it, the blue side inside and the white part outside, because you want to filter out what is coming from outside, right? So this is how you would use the mask. So a simple demonstration, right? You're going to ensure that you cover your nose and your mouth. All right, so this part here, all right, should be at the nose area. All right, see if you'll understand. So you put it on like this, right? You're going to put one over the ear and another one over the next ear, and you're going to make a knot at the back. All right, then now this one can go under the ear, all right, and then you tie it. All right, so once you tie it, try to tie it as hard as you can, or it feel comfortable for you. Ensure that like limited spaces is at each side, so that you know you don't have viruses entering just the same. So it's simple like this. All right, now to remove your mask, you're not going to just remove the mask from here, okay? Because if you try to remove the mask from here, what happens? All of those virus that is filtered gets on your hand, you touch something and you get infected just the same. So it will all be futile. All right, so you're going to simply pull the bottom one first. I find that easier. So I'll pull the bottom one first, right? And then I pull the top one. And you hold it like this, see? And then you discard it. All right? Discard in a safe place. All right? Do not touch the filtered part or the inside or any part of it. You just discard it, okay? So a thing to note is that you should not use the mask more than 4 hours, all right? Because after 4 hours, the efficiency or the efficacy of it is very much reduced, all right? So you're not going to use it over 4 hours. And these masks are usually single use, so you dispose of it, and that's it. If you have the N95 mask, also, you cover your nose and your mouth, put it around your ears, and then now, when you're finished, ensure that you don't pull it from the front either. All right, just remove it from your ears, and then you discard. All right, so that's it for this video on demonstrating how to use a mask. Stay safe, protect yourself, protect your family, stay inside if you must. If you're an essential worker, we applaud your effort, and thanks for the COVID response and the response team. All right, so that's it for this video. See you in the next one, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.